Hello folks, in this video I'm going to go over the Xerion Software Sandbox and how it can be beneficial to your organization to use with your current iFormBuilder account. So what the iFormBuilder Sandbox is it is an exact replication of your current iFormBuilder environment. In this case I'm in a demo environment here called apple.iformbuilder.com, and what we're able to do is make an exact replication of that anytime from now today to 14 days in the past. This is super beneficial for form builders out there, for integrators, for even company admins who want to see maybe what things looked like a couple days ago, or even look at the current state of things without touching any live environment applications. So how to actually get to the sandbox is you want to go under Company and Sandbox. Now you have to be a server admin or a company admin to get access to this menu here, but once you're there, you're going to be able to see some details about how to set up a new sandbox up here. You follow these steps, and then down here below you can see any current sandboxes that are created and currently in use. So we see there's two sandboxes, one created last year at some point and one created here just earlier today by myself. So I'm not going to go through creating one, as it does take a little bit depending on the amount of data you have, but pretty much you just select a new slot that you want to choose, a different day that you want to back up, and you'll see the days that you're allowed to back up to is the last 14 days. So they are going to be not grayed out, so I can back up to the 3rd of January, as it's currently the 17th. You can choose a single profile to back up if you wish. So let's say we want to back up this profile. You can also enter a password lock here to keep it secure. So once you've gone through that and you have your new sandbox set up here, you can just simply refresh the page and you should see the new item. And then you can click Go to Site. Now what we're going to see here, this is going to be an all new URL. It's going to be your current database name, and it's going to have the sandbox number after it. So you can create up to as many of these as your sandbox contract allows, which may be 2 sandboxes, maybe 5, maybe more sandbox slots. So we can just simply sign in here. Okay, so we're going to sign in here. And once we're signed in, I'm going to move over actually to our the profile that I backed up here, which is the demo templates one. And what I'm actually going to see here is if I go to the data, I'm going to see here's all the forms and the records that I have submitted. And these are actually going to be a replication of exactly what's in our production environment here. So let's go back into the production environment. We're going to see here's the same exact profile ID, just a different URL. So this is the production one, and this is the sandbox one here. So again, whatever changes you make in here are not going to affect live, so that's great for integrations, for even having users go in here and test the form and form builders and so on. It backs up all the data, all the forms, and any form groups, localizations, and things like that, as well as all your user details as well. So again, get the sandbox today, and you can start making things easier for folks out in the field and for your development teams as they're building out new projects to work in a totally separate environment, isolated from your production. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and let us know if you'd like to get started. Thanks.